Hi, I'm Zach with Temple University here in our circuit design laboratory, and today I'm going to show you some precautionary measures to take when you're going to build a circuit. So the first thing that you want to do whenever you're working with a live circuit using a power supply, if the power supply is connected and you want to make changes to the circuit, you should definitely turn off the power supply before making any changes. That includes if you're trying to measure resistance, you should turn off your power supply, take the resistor out of the circuit, and then measure resistance using your multimeter. Whenever you're working with a live circuit also, where the power supply is on and you want to change something or you want to touch something, don't. Turn the power supply off, and then you can touch whatever you want, move around whatever you want. But if it's on, just don't touch it. You could shock yourself, you could hurt yourself. It's not a good idea. The next thing I want to talk about is capacitors. So when you're looking at a capacitor, there are two sides. There's the longer leg side and then there's shorter leg side. This is an electrolytic capacitor, which means it has polarity, and the longer leg side is the positive side and the shorter leg side is the negative side. So that means that you want current to flow into the positive side and out of the negative side. If you don't do it that way, if you do it in the reverse way, so the shorter side gets current in, it could blow up the capacitor, it could damage the circuit, and you just don't want to do that. It could just ruin your day. Capacitors also hold charge. So even if you take them out of the circuit and you turn off the power supply and you put it in, you take everything off, you power it off, it could still hold a charge. It could still have voltage on it. So what you want to do if you're trying to mess with a capacitor is to discharge it. You can do that by making a simple circuit, just a simple RC circuit. You can just connect it, it'll short through the resistor, and it'll be good. Then it should have no voltage, and you can mess with it and play with it, and it should be fine. That's all I wanted to talk about for safety precautions in the lab. Temple University signing out.